Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video is going to be part 2 of my Extreme Kitchen Declutter and Deep Clean with Me series. In this video, I am going to be cleaning out most of my cabinets and drawers, but also deep cleaning my oven/stove and microwave. I hope you'll enjoy, and it'll give you the motivation you need to tackle the much dreaded task of deep cleaning your kitchen. Sit back and relax with your favorite snack or clean along with me. Okay guys, I'm going to start with this cabinet first. It just holds our everyday cups, plates, bowls, kids' plates, serving platters, candy dishes, you name it. To wipe it down, I'm going to be using the Smartly Cleaner from Target in the Citrus Grove scent and a microfiber cloth. I like to use the Smartly Cleaner because it helps cut grease and any dust there might be.
Do you know what you want? Looking for yourself
in a little bit, you're going to notice as I start to put things back that I don't put the cups back. That is because we don't use them very often and they get kind of dusty. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put them in the dishwasher and run a quick cycle to make them all nice and clean again.
only seems to work, baby, half the time. You're no good for me. Won't you leave? Honestly, you're no good for me. I just wanna stay.
So this cabinet above my stove holds things like my oils and spices and some baking things like vanilla, cinnamon, baking powder. I also have things up here that I no longer want to keep up here. Some other baking things like sprinkles. I also have honey and tea. I want to just take those items out and make more room in this cabinet. Alright, so here's me going through all of that stuff up in that cabinet. I'm going to be going through and throwing out things I no longer use or things that are expired. My tip for you guys, if you have a lot of items that come in little boxes such as like onion soup mix or taco seasoning packets, to take them out of the boxes and put them into like a separate little container like the one that I showed you. Now here I'm showing you something that I made from the Dollar Tree. It's my version of a Lazy Susan. I went to the Dollar Tree and purchased 2 pie tins and some of their like little, what are they called, gems? So I took the first pie tin, put it down, poured some of the gems in, and then put another pie tin on top, and it just spins right around. It works perfectly.
See the light. See the light.
So now for the microwave, I'm going to be making my own DIY cleaner. Super simple, just 1 cup of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, a few lemon slices, and a little lemon juice if you like. You're also going to want to make sure that you have a microwavable safe bowl. This is super important because you're essentially cooking these ingredients. Now while that's cooking, I'm going to be moving on to this drawer. The little picture that you're seeing is an idea that I have or would like to do with all of these kitchen utensils. Now, I like it in the drawer here, but I cannot decide whether or not I want to keep them in the drawer and get a drawer organizer for them or get that super cute utensil holder. Let me know down in the comments what you think I should do. And there's a cabinet directly below this drawer that I'm not going to be cleaning out as I just did it, and it kind of holds my larger appliances like my KitchenAid mixer. Alright, so the microwave is done. To remove the bowl, you're going to want a towel or a hot pad because it's going to be extremely hot. Save the lemons. They're cooked, so it'll be perfect for your garbage disposal. Now to wipe down the rest of the microwave, I'm going to be using a hot, damp rag that has a little bit of Dawn dish soap on it. To wipe down the front, sides, back, and top and underneath the microwave, I'm going to be using the Smartly Cleaner from Target. You're also going to want to make sure that you wipe the cord and the outlet really well. They get pretty dusty.
I wanna see the light. I wanna see the light. I wanna see the light.
Okay, so now it's time to move on to the oven. And to clean this out, I'm going to be using a Kitchen Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, the Mrs. Meyer's Baking Soda Cream Cleaner, a Bubble Up dish brush, and a hot, damp rag. Now I'm doing this first because I like to scrub away all the junk and loosen it up before I go ahead and use this self-clean option on the oven.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Okay, so I wanted to mention for the self-cleaning option, you're going to want to make sure that you open all windows and make sure it's well ventilated. Also, if you have pets, make sure they can get out if they want to. Remove anything that you have from the stove. This is very important because things could melt or possibly burn. Now, my stove has an option where I can set it on low instead of high clean. My low clean is about, I think it said 3 hours and 30 minutes. I like this option because it doesn't smell horrible because I go ahead and remove most of the junk first. Now while the oven's cleaning away, I'm going to be moving on to other tasks. This junk drawer here is not the only junk drawer that I have. Unfortunately, I have two. So this one I'm going to be turning into more of a condiment drawer as far as like, you know, the packets that you get from like Chick-fil-A and Taco Bell and Arby's, like the sauces. And I'm also going to be holding menus from restaurants and manuals from the smaller appliances that we have.
I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Okay, so this drawer is much better now. Now moving on to this drawer, I just hold things like our plastic wrap in it, the wax paper, scissors, things like that. I'm also going to be adding like sandwich bags or even the brown paper bags. Now earlier I was showing you the saran wrap from Costco. I love this one. I don't know about you, but I used to have cling wrap and I hated trying to rip that off. It just would not work. So this one we picked up from Costco, like I said, and it has like a little blue thing that you slide across and it just cuts the plastic wrap for you. Welcome to junk drawer number 2, where we just throw everything from dice to nail clippers to pens, pencils, unwanted napkins, the treadmill key, paintbrushes. Are you kidding me, you guys? I found some pennies in here. I found push pins. I found screws, nails. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to be taking that little blue bin that has the pens, pencils, Sharpies in it and going through and taking out most of the pencils and putting them over by the desk where my daughter does her homework in the evening. Okay guys, in a second here, I'm going to be showing you how to fold headphones, if you will. I believe these are the ones that come with the iPhone. This way, I think I saw on Pinterest, and I thought it was really cool. It's an easy way to fold them up so that they don't get tangled. Alright, so this cabinet holds cutting boards, my pots and pans, glass bowls, regular bowls, muffin tins, glass baking dishes, and stuff like that. Now the pots and pans that I have are extremely old and we've collected random pieces over the years. Now I'm hoping that my husband, will bring me some new ones this year. These little ice cube trays that I'm going to be showing you here in a second are from the Dollar Tree. My daughter and I saw them over the summertime and I thought they were perfect. They make these cute little round ice cubes and you just poke the little rubber part at the bottom and they pop right out, and they actually fit inside water bottles. I wanted to take a moment and welcome those of you that are new. Hi, I'm Danielle. I'd love for you to stick around and join my small but growing YouTube family by hitting that subscribe button. Also, please come say hi down in the comments. I would love to get to know you and where you're from. So this cabinet holds our toaster, a popcorn maker machine that I got from my mom and stepdad, our electric can opener, and things like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and vacuum it out because the toaster makes for a lot of crumbs, and then I'll wipe it down. So this next cabinet that I'm showing you is underneath my kitchen sink. I did a video on this, so I'll link it down in the description box if you want to take a look. Okay, so the oven is all done with the self-clean. I'm just going to go ahead and give it a good wipe down. Here I'm just going to wipe down the stove. I'm taking off the knobs and I'll be cleaning those with some Lysol disinfecting wipes. Okay, how many of you guys knew that this drawer is not a storage drawer? It's actually meant to keep cooked food warm. What? Did you guys know that? I totally did not even know that, but I use it as a storage. So I'm just gonna go through and remove everything and give it a good wipe down. Alright guys, we're almost to the end of the video. I wanted to thank you so much for clicking on today's video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to hit that like button. It just lets me know that you enjoy these videos and want to see more. To those of you that have subscribed, thank you so much. I'm almost to 100 subscribers. You guys mean the world to me. Thank you.